Hello guys, welcome to episode 4. Episode 3 of Tornado Survival. This episode I want to start building my house, try to finish it or not. There might be probably be a part 2, but right now we're gonna so I already have my plan. Whoa, buddy. About the house and how we're gonna build it. But so yeah, you'll see on the way. I can't really show you nothing, but it's 2 stories. Probably next episode we're gonna do the shelter, and then some other stuff. We're gonna do 3 stacks of birch, and 3 stacks of oak wood. Sorry. And then we're gonna start building. Don't have like no food, so I'm gonna go cook some food. See ya, boys. I'm gonna go cook some food, eh? It's gonna be a long episode, probably. So, hope you enjoy. Now, let's actually show up. We're gonna build a house right here. It's a good spot. It's pretty fat. I'm about to die. But that's okay. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm not dying on this board. Just gonna build up a little hut. So, don't die. Okay. Little chicken. No, that's not a fuel. Stupid idea. I might die. Why are you dying, chicken? Oh. Chicken, we're gonna wait till morning. I could just make a bed right now. Really haven't played this version of Minecraft for so long. Okay. Go to sleep, okay. Oh. Be right back. Sorry about that. That was just I don't know exactly, but whoa, why am I dying? What in the world? Okay. I don't like overheal music. It kills me, so yeah. We're gonna start building the thing, and hopefully you enjoy. So it's a pretty big house. I mean, it's a starter house. It's pretty big. So. So now we have the thing we're gonna start building. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8, 8, 8. That's a good number. This is only for the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not it. So I'm probably gonna have to make a shovel, dig some spots. Of course I'm gonna have to make a shovel. So how else am I gonna build this house? But we're gonna have to also get more bolts because not exactly enough. Right now there's gonna be no windows. Also I need to make a chest. Can I get stuff from this? Nah. Probably should have not, because I mean I don't have cheats on. But that because I don't have cheats on, because if in real Minecraft it would just open. So yeah, I don't have cheats on. So I don't cheat. I can't do no commands, I can't do nothing. The only thing I can do is play the game. Okay. So we're gonna have the tree. Okay. So we're gonna start building the house. So we're gonna do the walls, and then we're gonna do like some other stuff. Hate that. And it's like that. So annoying. I mean, Woody, what's the point of having that? I guess it's gonna be sweet enrichment. This is going to be storage. This is the broadcast or weather room. Right here is gonna be a staircase down to shelter. Then there's my bedroom, and in the thing, this room, there'll be a stairs to the second floor, and that'd just be like stuff, modded stuff. You know, accessories. It's getting nighttime. It's gonna take me a long time to build this house. I'm not sure. Yeah, sadly. I mean, if I ever should would take a shorter time, because that would be much helpful, really helpful with the series. It's gonna be longer than I expected, because I want to give at least some. I mean, I've already done some at the house, but more than this, way more. Although, it's gonna end at 30, I don't know how long exactly I'm gonna make this episode, but it's gonna be pretty long, so you guys will know how long it is when I publish. But publish. I'm so bad at English. Okay, so we got this. Gotta clear this all out. Hello. No. We're just gonna dig a hole. Okay. Oh, why? Are you serious? Oh. Oh, it's raining. Look at me. Oh, man. Really, guys? I don't have my bed. Man, serious? I don't even have my bed. Gotta get all the way up there. Man, you guys are awfully annoying, guys. The awfully annoying award. Where's my food? I put my food in there. Like, good thing is, I don't plan on eating all that. Okay. No, I don't have that. Oh, it's not raining no more. Don't know what the weather forecast is. Let me check the mods. This might take a while. Just wanna know how to craft it. But it's basically, wait a minute, I could just go to the bottom with just going back. Boom. Oh. My luck is so great, guys. I really love life. Oh, every time I record a video, everybody be loud. It's okay though. I can go get my loot. That's probably actually my second death because before I press play to the video, people blew me up. So I've died 2 times this series. In the first 3 episodes. That's lovely. Good thing I know where I'm going. Or not. Stop. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. And okay. I'm gonna die. Where did I die? did I die? Where did I die? Is it this way, right? I'll check over my videos if I can't find it. Oh my. These things are so annoying. I'm for sure it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Because I've been never going through here and like, you know, like, and then I find like flat land. I was in this biome, so I'll just flip in my video if I can't find it. Grading starts. My series. Oh no, spider. I'm gonna die. I'm so dead. That's actually where I am, but I know don't know exactly where I am. Okay, I'm dying. Come on, go. I'm gonna have to kill a pig. By fist. I'm gonna have to kill a pig by fist. Die, you stupid pig. Die, pig. I need. Yo, pork, boy. You trying to fight back? Nope. Probably shouldn't even, right? I'm gonna just walk it. Hello. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Okay, I'm running. I can't. I really can't. I die. Of course, I die. Please hit it. Please hit it. This might not be it, but um, I'm gonna rename this video. I guess it's not about the house. Like I'm gonna have to rename it of like something. I'm dead. I might end this. And then review the video and come back. That would be episode 4. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Probably not because I died. So hope you guys have a life because I don't have none. See ya.